Hello, my name is Kim Chan and I work for the Fort Worth Public Library. I'm here today to show you how to make this fun craft. I like to call it a snowball soap. And inside there's a fun incentive for washing your hands. Now, what you can encourage children to do is to have delayed gratification and to wash their hands properly without breaking it open. But I'm going to go ahead and break it open so that you can see what I put inside. Okay, so we're going to crush it. And once children finish with their soap ball, inside what I've done is I've hidden a fun little car toy inside the ball of soap. Now at home you can do the same activity. You can put whatever little toy that you would like, preferably one that's bigger than a shot glass so that kids won't swallow it. And something that is waterproof. I wouldn't recommend a fabric doll, but a plastic little toy would be fun. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make your own ball, a snowball of soap at home. This is a fun interactive activity that you can do with your children, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, now to get started with this activity, all you need is 5 things that you can find in your home. A bowl, a grater, a bar of soap, and a toy, again preferably a waterproof toy, and a little spray bottle filled with water. Alright, I've grated just about enough. I'm going to put my grater, my soap aside, and I'm going to show you the lovely grated soap that we have. It's nice and crumbly. The next step that you're going to do is you're going to get some water. You can use a spray bottle. I have a little pump spray right here. And you're going to help your child spray all over. The water will help the soap become more moldable. And what you want to do is kind of start more dry, and then as you need, just spray more water as you go. Okay, so we have some water mixed in. Let me show you. So right now it's pretty crumbly, but once you get the water inside, you can take the handful of soap and smoosh it, and then it becomes really moldable. And that's real fun. That in itself can be a fun activity. Having kids just play, have a sensory activity can be really engaging, and it'll help keep your family sanity for a little while. So, but right now what we're going to do is we're going to get our toy, and I'm going to use 2 hands. I'm going to push it, make a flat little handful, and I'm going to put my toy inside. This will be the start of our little snowball, our soap snowball. So I have my toy. I'm just going to get another piece and pat it in. And you can tell stories about how maybe your toy, oh no, is getting enveloped. He's going and hiding. Just have a fun time with it. So I have some piece of toy still sticking out. We're going to take some more of that soap and just pat it on top. Continue to make that little snowball. And there. Now, it's really still moldable right now. I can imagine a child just coming up and saying, I want the toy right now, and breaking it apart. But what you could encourage them to do is to have delayed gratification. I'm going to take a little bit more water, spray the outside, and then once the outside is wet, really work it in and turn it into a smooth ball of soap. And that way, every time they take a bath or wash their hands, they're one step closer to their toy. A fun activity is to record how many times it takes to wash or shower to get to the toy. So here's my little snowball, and I hope you find that this is an engaging and fun activity to do at home.
I hope you had a fun time with me. We made a ball of soap, and inside there's a fun incentive for children to find. If you want more activities like this using everyday items around your kitchen, check out this book. It's an ebook that you can get from the Fort Worth Public Library Overdrive or Libby app. This book is called Kitchen Science Lab for Kids, 52 Family-Friendly Experiments from Around the House, written by Liz Lee Heinecke. This is a great book that you can encourage and foster a love of learning at home. Be sure to check it out, and I hope to see you again. Bye!